Okay, so here's the pack. It's an 8-pack of Chalkola window markers, washable window markers even. And they're really, really good for glass. Like if you want to put like a message, a holiday message or something on your menu board or on your window or on your car, like a just married sign or something like that, any kind of a promotional message on your, you could even put your menu on your menu board with them and stuff, but they hold a lot of ink. Look how big they are. They're like really, really huge, and they're easy to erase with a wet cloth or a wet wipe or something like that. But the way that you work them, you can see there's no ink down there now yet, but basically you just push it in and out a few times and the ink will start to absorb, start to come down and get into the tip there. I'm going to do it on some glass here in a second, but I'll just tell you, they're not really good for paper or cardboard because it'll just absorb in there and kind of run a little bit and stuff into the paper, because it needs to be a non-porous surface like a mirror or glass or something like that. But let's go try it and see. And they sent these to us so we could show them to you, so that's what we're going to do. And you can actually use, it could be like super, super fat like this. If you used it like this, it could be thinner if you used it on the edge like this, or you could use the very, very corner and make a really thin line. But we're going to see if we can make this work here. We just have to get it going here. Just start to see it's just barely turning a little bit red there, so I'm going to keep pumping on it here and see if we can't get some more ink down there. But I've been doing this for maybe 15-20 seconds or something like that, and it's starting to see, you can start to see the red coming down from in the barrel down into that foam tip there. So okay, it's getting there. It's getting there. See, it's coming down there. Got a little tiny bit there on the window. I have to do it a couple more times to get it all the way out to the tip, I think, because it's getting there. See, you can see then it's leaving a little mark on the window. I'll have to wipe that off with some wet wipe there, but then we'll go up here and we're gonna say, let's see, what should we say? Oh, that works. Not very straight, but I'm trying to hold the camera and how about that? Ta-da! How about that? Look at that. Okay, so these are cool. These would be really good for, like I said, a menu board or something like that. I would like that. So I'm not very artistic, so I got these little marks down here I was trying to make something out of, but then I'm like, I can't do that. So I'm just gonna wipe this off, see how it wipes off with a wet wipe. This is just a wet wipe. Well, that cleaned up pretty good. Look at the towel's all red, but there you go. Look good. But there's our message. Ha ha.